Today we're going to talk about how to make your small bathroom feel larger. So here are some tips. First of all, use a shower curtain. Shower curtains move back and forward as opposed to a glass door that opens into the bathroom and takes up more space. Tip number 2, how about using a hanging vanity? Hanging vanity certainly gives visual space all around as opposed to a pedestal or having a vanity that goes all the way down to the floor. Now, third tip, and this tip seems counterintuitive. Use large patterns. So imagine you walk into a bathroom and it's got nice big bold large pattern on the walls. It forces the eye to look around and to take in more space. Now, if you want some more tips on how to make your small bathroom feel larger, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on social.